Against financial threats like inflation, financial planning plays a vital role, paralleling a shield's importance in war. Just as a Spartan shield safeguard, financial planning defends and empowers, enabling you to achieve your aspirations despite challenges. SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus claims to empower your dreams and protect you from uncertainties. This video is all about SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. This detailed review will answer the question of whether buying the plan is a good decision or not. Let's begin. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus is an individual, non-linked, non-participating life insurance savings product with a return of premium. The main features are life insurance cover with the ease of issuance, pay premium regularly or for a limited period, say 7 or 10 or 15 years, flexibility in choosing the policy term for 10 to 30 years, get 100% of total premiums paid as maturity benefit. Now let us look at the benefits under SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. First, death benefit. In the unfortunate event of death of life assured, the sum assured on death will be payable to the nominee in lump sum. Sum assured on death will be higher of basic sum assured or 11 times the annualized premium or 105% of total premiums received up to the date of death. Next, maturity benefit. On survival of life assured till the end of the policy term, 100% of total premiums paid during the policy tenure shall be paid in lump sum. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. Advantages. Policy term, premium paying term and premium paying frequency can be chosen as per convenience. Next, we are moving on to disadvantages. No loan facility is available under this product. No loyalty addition or any bonus under this plan. The premium paid is returned at maturity without any value addition. Under SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus plan, you pay premium for the entire policy term and enjoy life cover. At maturity, the premium paid so far is returned. There is no bonus or any value addition for what you paid. The return of premium is just a summation of total premiums and the time value of money is not considered here. So ultimately, the calculation of internal rate of return will result in 0. Just to illustrate this, we have worked out on a benefit illustration here. A 40-year-old female buy this plan for a sum assured of rupees 50 lakhs with a cover till the age of 65 years. Her regular premium for this life cover is 42,603 per annum. The total premium paid for the 25 years amounts to rupees 10 lakh 65,000. This amount is returned at maturity. The IRR calculation for this cash flow results in 0. The life cover is the only benefit under SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. A pure term life insurance policy will serve the same purpose, that too with a lesser premium compared to return of premium policy. Here we have worked out a scenario to understand the efficiency of taking a pure term life insurance policy and investing separately for life goals. For a sum assured of rupees 50 lakhs, a pure term life insurance policy will cost you just rupees 12,500 per annum. The policy term and the premium paying term are 25 years. In the earlier illustration for the same metric, the premium amount was 42,603. This shows that insurance companies charge you a higher premium and make an illusion that you get an added benefit. If you opt for a pure term life insurance policy, you could have saved rupees 30,103. You can invest this savings in any instrument of your choice. Let us consider investing this amount in PPF or ELSS and work out the rate of return. Under the PPF account, the final maturity value is 20.68 lakhs. The IRR for the pure term insurance policy along with PPF investment is 4.79%. Though the return is less than the inflation rate, at the end of 25 years, you get better corpus compared to SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus. Under the ELSS fund, while redeeming the units, capital gains tax arises. So we need to set aside the tax liability from the proceeds. This leaves you with an after-tax maturity value of 41.31 lakhs. The IRR calculation for the pure term life insurance policy along with ELSS investment results in 9.31%. This is a post-tax return. This rate of return is higher than the inflation rate and you can accumulate a sizable corpus at the end of 25 years. SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus returns your premium at the end of the policy term, for which they charge you more than the premium required to protect your life. This comparison underlines the difference between a pure term life insurance policy, that is without profit or without return of premium or charges, and a traditional life insurance policy, that is with profit or with return of premium or charges. Here is our final verdict on SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus plan. The plan addresses the life cover need for an investor, but with a higher premium. The benefit you get for a higher premium paid is not worth the cost. Definitely, the return of premium is not the trump card for this plan. The difference in premium between a traditional policy and a pure term life insurance policy can be channelized effectively. This can be invested based on your preference and goals. The earning member of the family wants to secure the family's future. This is the main purpose of having a life insurance policy in your insurance basket. The purpose can only be served by a pure term life insurance policy. This statement is repeated several times in this video just to emphasize it. Consult a certified financial planner for a goal-based financial planning to empower your dreams. A detailed review of SBI Life Saral Swadhan Plus is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.